Puno ng kulay ang mga kalsada sa paligid ng Nepo Center sa Angeles City sa Pride March na bahagi ng Pinanari Uprise Pampanga Pride Fest 2026 nitong Sabado, June 6. Ito na ang ikatlong taon ng pagsasama-sama ng LGBTQIA+ community na inorganisa ng JCI Angeles City Colyat, katuwang ng JDN Realty Corporation at iba pang sektor sa Pinanari na ang ibig sabihin ay rainbow. Pasiklaban sa kasuotan ng mga lumahok na paraan ng kanilang self-expression. May drag queens din na sakay ng floats. Maliit man o malaki, proud na proud nilang winagayway ang rainbow flag. May booths din tulad ng libreng HIV testing at iba pang mga produkto. Ayon kay Attorney Alan Jill Herona, presidente ng JCI Angeles City Colyat, isa sa flagship project ng organisasyon ang Pinanari para isulong ang gender equality, diversion, at inclusion sa komunidad.
For Pinanari, we aim to help the community by having the members of the LGBTQIA+ to express themselves, to be able to be in a safe space, and for them to be able to show to the world that they are our equals. Yes, and this is a platform for them to show all of those.
Nais raw nilang maipagpatuloy ang hangarin dahil malaki ang potensyal ng naturang komunidad na maituturing umanong kabilang sa marginalized sectors.
So just for the month of June, the LGBTQIA+ community gets to express themselves freely, gets to advocate their messages, kung ano po ang gusto nilang iparating sa mga communities natin, the message for equalities and inclusion. That's the month of the year where high time po ang celebration to cause a bigger impact talaga para magsama, because I think Manila is also doing Pride, Cebu is also doing Pride during June. Pag pinagsama-sama po natin lahat ng celebrations during Pride month ng June, we are not just creating that little noise, we're creating much more we're creating a bang to spark up the entire community para mas mag-spread ang messages throughout the Philippines. Kasi syempre, pagsama-sama, mas malakas.
Excited ang magkaibigang sina Junie Serrano at Louie Lester Kikuchi dahil sa unang pagkakataon ay nakasali sila sa aktibidad para i-celebrate ang kanilang sarili.
Sobrang liberating po niya since po na-express po namin yung nararamdaman namin para lang yung mapakita po namin kung school ko na pag-as a person. I hope po lahat po ng tao na kaya po i-express yung sarili nila po in the future.
This event po is very important to us since also this is our first time na mag-join ng type of event like this. Then it's very exciting.
Nagpasalamat naman ng magkakaibigang sina Gab Agustin, Ryzen Manarang at Maddie Manulit dahil sa pamamagitan ng Pinanari ay unti-unti nang nagiging bukas at nababawasan ang discrimination sa LGBTQIA+ community.
Honestly po, it feels so welcoming and heartwarming kasi po we're able to meet with a lot of people na that's in the same community as us, especially because for the past years, for the past centuries, we've been so oppressed and we've been forced to hide our identity. So now that we can be open about it, it's just so heartwarming that we can celebrate Pride Month with everyone else in the community.
I feel like this is a safe place because they conducted this kind of event for us to feel safe to express who we are to them.
I think it's really good that a lot of the kids now are able to express their identity and their gender and their sexualities. You know, like I said, a lot of homophobia in the past, and it's good. I think we can express that more freely now, and I'm really proud of that.
Nag-ugat ang Pride Month sa mga kilos protesta tulad ng Cooper Donuts Riot noong 1959 at Compton's Cafeteria Riot noong 1966. Ngunit ang naging pangunahing mitya ng modernong Pride movement ay ang Stonewall Riots noong June 28, 1969 nang manindigan ng mga miyembro ng LGBT community nang i-raid ng kapulisan ang Stonewall Inn sa New York City. Kasama si Jody Dizon Mercado, Arlen Salonga, CLTV 36 News.